There's something small but surprisingly frustrating about inconsistent toast. I'm a toast lover. I take my toast seriously, and I've gone through so many toasters trying to get that perfect, consistent golden brown. And finally, I found one that actually gets it right every time. No more guessing, no more burnt edges, no more underdone centers. This toaster takes all of that stress out of your mornings. This is the Ganiza Smart 2-Slice Toaster with a touchscreen, and it's honestly such an upgrade. You're getting one sleek stainless steel 2-slice toaster packed with smart features, touchscreen display with a digital countdown timer so you never have to wonder when your toast is going to be done, 6 browning levels so you can pick your perfect shade, plus or minus 10-second fine-tune control for total precision, and 4 easy modes: defrost, reheat, frozen waffle, and cancel. It's 925 watts for up to 50% faster toasting. There's even edge-to-edge browning, no more uneven slices, wide slots that fit thick breads, bagels, muffins, and waffles. You get a full stainless steel body that's durable, clean, and modern, a compact size that doesn't take over your counter, removable crumb tray plus cleaning brush for easy cleanup, and a cord wrap to keep everything tidy. There's an anti-jam auto shutoff if bread gets stuck, a smooth, easy lift lever with auto pop-up. It just makes mornings feel smoother, like one less thing to think about and something you can actually count on. If you're thinking a touchscreen might be complicated, it's actually the opposite. It's super intuitive. Just tap, choose your setting, and you're done. And if you're worried about durability, the stainless steel design feels solid and high quality. For me, this has been a total game changer. I get the same perfect toast every single time, and that little consistency just makes mornings feel easier and more enjoyable. If you love a good toast and want something that's reliable, easy, and honestly kind of fun to use, this is definitely worth checking out. Go take a look. You might never go back to a basic toaster again.